Good evening, all of you. Good evening, all of you. Is it inaudible?
Yeah, good evening, Varun.
Yeah, you are audible.
Good evening. So we have understood in the last session. What is DevOps, what is AWS. We understood very clearly. Okay. So what exactly we're going to be discussing for today? So let us fix our agenda case, please, first. First, let it be open our class notes, please, wait. So in the last session, we understood very clearly. So what is DevOps? We understood very clearly. What is DevOps? We understood. What is AWS? Also, we understood very clear. And what is the relation between AWS versus DevOps? Also, we understood in the last one. Clear. So today we are going to be an experience how to create AWS account and login. How to create AWS server and login. So we are going to be an experience for today's session. But before move to the class, before starting the session, what exactly we have done in the last session? Within 5 minutes, let us overview. Just to be an overview, please. So what we have discussed, guys, please. We are understood very clearly what is in exactly DevOps, please. So what is in exactly DevOps, please? DevOps is an automated process. DevOps is an automated transparent pipeline. As a DevOps engineer, our roles and responsibilities start from dev environment, ends with what? Operation. Means we are part of coding, integration, testing, release, deploy, operation. But to be frankly, we are not doing any planning. We are not writing any coding. We are not writing any test cases. Just we are going to be implementing an automated DevOps transparent pipeline from dev environment to operations. Dev environment to operations. Okay. While whatever the lines of code is written by developer, making working software and we're gonna be delivering into the production environment within a shortest time with high quality, with low cost is nothing but what exactly our DevOps transparent pipeline. But for implementing this DevOps transparent pipeline, we're gonna be using tool stack. Which are all the tool stack we are gonna be using? Git, we are gonna be using Maven, Jenkins, JFrog, SonarQube, and Ansible, AWS, Amazon Web Services, Docker, and Kubernetes, Alkalistic log stack Kibana, and Terraform. By helping of these are all the tools: Git, Maven, Jenkins, JFrog, SonarQube, Ansible, AWS, Docker, Kubernetes, Alkalistic log stack Kibana, Terraform. By helping of these are all the tools, we are gonna be implementing an automated DevOps transparent pipeline. But while implementing this DevOps transparent pipeline, we required a infrastructure. We required a infrastructure. We required a infrastructure. So what kind of infrastructure is required, please? First of all, what is an application? What is an application, please? Application is nothing but a website like Flipkart or Amazon, Book My Show, whatever may be. Clear. But so for maintaining this application, for deploying this application or website, what kind of infrastructure required? Servers are required, network is required, storage is required, database is required. But from how many ways we can able to get this infrastructure? So we can able to get from physical environment, virtual environment, or from cloud. But what is the cloud? Cloud. To specifically what is the cloud computing? If you want to understand what is the cloud computing, if you want to understand what is the cloud computing, we should understand what is the data center. Sir, what is a data center? The huge computing power, keeping in a rack wise in a big room, we calling as a data center. Data center. These data centers are located in different geographical locations. These data centers are located in different geographical locations. From this data center, if we can access, if we can able to control over an internet is nothing but what exactly? Cloud computing. Okay, what is a data center, please? The huge computing power keeping in a rack wise, we calling as a data center. Data center. Clear, all of you understood this. So I hope you people are understand. So from this remote placed data center, if we can access the remote placed resources such as network, storage, server, databases, if we can access or a control over internet is nothing but what exactly? Cloud computing. Any cloud is a rental based infrastructure. Any cloud is a rental based infrastructure. By using cloud, we are not buying anything. We're going to be getting only rental based infrastructure only. We are not buying anything. We can able to get a rental based infrastructure only. Based on usage, we're going to be pay rent. So cloud is offering rental based infrastructure, just like Ola or Uber or car, So instead of buying a new car, we are going to be getting a rental car. Okay. We're going to be getting only rental car. The same way for deploying our applications. For deploying our applications, what kind of infrastructure is required? What kind of infrastructure is required? We can able to get it from cloud, and based on usage, we're gonna be pay, we're gonna be pay, we're gonna be pay rent. But which cloud we're gonna be learning? Yeah, in the market. So a lot of leading cloud providers are available, but we're gonna be learning. We're gonna be learning AWS, Amazon Web Services, Amazon Web Services, AWS. In AWS, totally it is around more than 45 plus services we are going to be learning. More than 45 plus services we are going to be learning. These 45 services be dividing into the Four model: VPC model, EC2 model, RDS model, S3 model. VPC model, EC2 model, RDS model, S3 model. Sir, VPC means what? Network. EC2 means what? Server. RDS means what? Database. S3 is nothing but what? Storage. So, what kind of infrastructure is required? Can able to get it from cloud or not? Tell me. From cloud or not, tell me. And based on usage, we're going to be parent. So we are understanding the last session. Sir, what is a VPC? What is EC2? What is RDS? What is EC? What is S3? We are understanding the last class. Today, let us understand EC2. Sir, what is EC2, please? Anybody? As we discussed in the last session, please.
ECT is nothing but a machine means server. We'll get one
Yeah,
cloud.
simply we can call as a computer.
Yeah.
Simply. So EC2 is just like a elastic compute cloud. EC2 means what? Elastic compute cloud. So the computing power, if you can access over internet in elastic form, is nothing but what? EC2. One E2 Cs. That's what EC2. So EC2 think like your basic computer. What is EC2? We can able to get a scalable computing capacity. Without paying an upfront amount, we can able to get infrastructure. We deploying our application as fast as possible. And we can able to scale up and scale down for forecasting traffic. Is nothing but what? EC2. By helping of EC2, we can able to create a server. But before creating a server, we should understand how to create a account, how to create a AWS account. Without creating AWS account, we can't able to do anything else. Please, we should be create AWS account and we should be logged in. Okay, but sir, how exactly we can able to create AWS account? The same way, how we can create Facebook account, Gmail account. The same way, we can able to create AWS account also. How we can create Facebook, Gmail, the same way we can able to create AWS. Let us go to the Google AWS. Please be go to the AWS console. So if you have an account, please sign in. If you don't have, please be create an account. Once if it is done, if you have a credentials, please, or else if it is scroll down, please be click on sign up. If it is sign up, it will be navigating under this page. Please provide your email address, account name, and verify your email. Then you need to provide your complete details as a personal details, complete door number, phone, India, country name, and your details, your address, location, each and everything we need to provide. And third page, it would be payment gateway. Please provide your only debit card. Okay. Don't go for credit card, only debit card. Once if it is verified your card, it will take 2 rupees. Just for verification only, these 2 rupees also, you will revert back to within 24 hours. Once if it is done, then go for phone number verification. Once if it is provide valid phone number. Once if it is verified, then go for choose a basic plan. Then your account will be activated within 24 hours. Your account will be activated 24 hours, please. Clear. But anyway, so I will be provide one document, please. So you can create an account. I properly created one document. With help of the document, you can do that. Yeah, I uploaded in the chat box. Please be download it from there. So once if it is open, you can find from here. Just be double click on it. It will be open from your laptop. Download and open, please. So once if it is scroll down, please be choose AWS console. And provide your email address, password, confirm password, account name, your personal details, your debit card details, please once if it is verified. Phone number, verify your phone number. Choose a basic plan enough. Once if you choose basic plan, then your account will be activated. You will be landing into this page. Okay. You can by providing your credentials, by providing your username password, you will be landing into this page. Okay. I have successfully created already. That's what I shown in a document. So what I need to do, please, how we can log in. Let me show you people, please once again. So after successfully create an account, please be type AWS console. So click on sign into the console. It will be landing into this page. Click on sign user with root. Click on sign in with user root. Provide your username. Provide your password. And so in your case, please MFA code is won't ask you. Please be simply skip. Please simply skip your MFA code. But in my case, so it is linked with my mobile. I install Google Authenticator in my mobile app. Okay, then I already link with this mobile, which is displaying in my mobile the code I'm typing here. But in your case, it is won't ask you, simply skip it. Not required in your case. Just once if it is done. Once if it is done, then you will be landing into this page. Once if it is successfully done, once if it is successfully done, you will be landing into this page. You will be landing into this page. You will be landing onto this page. And which service you want, you can able to choose. Which service you want, you can able to choose. Which service you want, you can able to choose it here. Clear. So for example, I want to create a EC2 server. Let us go for it. I want to create a network. Let it be choose here. I want to create a S3 storage. I can able to choose. I want to choose IAM. Let us be go for it here. Okay. So as of for today, I want to go for EC2. Today, I want to create EC2 server. Please be go to the EC2 server. Please be go to the EC2 server. Okay, this is an exactly dashboard. In this dashboard, we can able to, by choosing instance, I can able to create a instance. I can able to create a server. Clear, understood up to this point? Any questions? Can able to do it? Kiran,
Yes,
Nayan, Nita.
understood. Yeah.
Yeah, it is very clear, very understanding. Am I right?
Yes,
Yeah.
yes.
So, but
Yeah.
but my point is here is I want to create a server. Server is just like your laptop. As we discuss, easy to think like your desktop computer. That means EC2 server is just like your laptop, which are all the components available in your laptop. The same components we are gonna be using in our server also, but naming conventions are different. Naming conventions are different. In your laptop, we are calling as what exactly? We are calling as what exactly, please? We are calling as what exactly, please? Operating system in a laptop. Operating system, but in server, AMI. Naming conventions are different, but the same thing, which are all the components available in a laptop. The same component we are using in server also. Okay, let me compare with this here. So here is operating system. Here is AMD. Here is a CPU. Here is instance time. Here is a hard drive. Here is EBS. Here is a network card. Here is a IP address. Here is a firewall. Here is a security group. Here is a RAM. Here is a RAM. Got it? So, but your laptop is just for one purpose, like browsing, practicing DevOps, practicing Java, for dev environment, we are gonna be using. Server is not like that. For deploying our application, doing a business and internet, that application 24 hours, 360 is up and running like a Flipkart or Amazon, Book My Show at Bus, this kind of applications, guys, please. But how exactly we can able to create the same components, the same component we are going to be using AMI, instance type, EBS, RAM, security group, IP address. These are all the components we are going to be using while creating a server. While creating a server, guys, please. Shall we try to create a server with these are all the components? Sir, if you want to create a server, we need to write down. So what I explained, the same thing, let it be write down here with the points. Then we can able to clear. What are the first step, please? We need to create a account and login. First step is what? Create AWS account and login. Then choose EC2 service. Choose EC2 service. Once if you choose EC2 services, then choose launch instance. Launch instance is nothing but a server, AWS server. Once if it is launch instance, then choose instance count, name, instance count, and name of the server. And once if it is choose instance count and name, choose operating system, like choose Ubuntu, Linux AMI. It is just like an operating system. It is just like a operating system. Once if you choose operating system, then choose T2 micro. Choose instance type as well. T2 micro. It has one core CPU and 1 GB RAM. Clear? So once if it is chosen, then create a new PEM file. It is just like a password. Just like a password, please. It is just like a password. Once if it is chosen password, then let us choose a default network and choose security as SSH and HTTP. Sir, what is the meaning of SSH? SSH means what? We can able to log in from Linux to Linux. HTTP means what? We can access web server from India. Once if it is chosen, choose EBS volume. EBS root volume. It is just like a hard disk. By choosing Lance instance, we can create a sub. Clear steps are very clear, all of you. Steps are
Yes.
clear.
Yes.
Yeah. Shall we try to implement these are all the steps in the cloud? Yeah. Very simple. After successfully sign up and sign in, please be choose EC2. Once if it is click on EC2, launch instance. How many instances you want? Count either 1,000, 1 lakh, according to requirement. But my choice is only one. My choice is only one. But as a student, please choose only one, but don't go for more than one. So what is the server name? I want to make this server as a web server for today. Maybe I can make it as application server, Tomcat, database, application server, web server, Docker, Kubernetes, anything, Jenkins. I can make this server as anything. But as of for today, I want to make this server as a web server. So please name it anything. Yeah. Then which operating system you wanted as per discussion. As per we are understanding in the points, in these points. What are the next step, please? We have chosen, we are going to be choosing Ubuntu Linux operating system. This we are calling as what? AMI, Amazon Mission Image. Ubuntu operating system, which is calling as what? Amazon Mission Image. Once if it is choose instance type as a T2 micro, it has one core CPU, 1 GB RAM. Once if it is chosen, if it is scroll down, please be choose a new PEM file. Create a new PEM file. Create a new PEM file. The PEM file name is anything. My key. What are the date for today? 27th August 25. Click on create pair. Once if it is successfully click on create pair, click on create pair. Automatically the PEM file will be downloaded. Make sure whether this PEM file is downloaded safely or not, securely or not. Once if it is secure this PEM file, why? Because secure, because if you lose this PEM file, that means you're gonna be losing a server. Without this PEM file, we can't able to interact, we can't able to getting into this PEM file. Then choose a default network. And then we go for SSH and HTTP. What is SSH? By using SSH, we can able to log in from Linux to Linux. And by using HTTP, once after successfully installing web server, we can able to we can able to access web server by helping of SSH, by helping of HTTP. And we're gonna be choosing a default 8 GB of hard disk, which you are calling as a ABS root value. It's just like a hard disk which in your laptop. Okay. With help of these are all the configurations. By just to be click on one click launch instance, automatically creating a server. Clear? Any questions? Okay, shall we click on this creation? Yeah. Just to be click on launch, automatically the server will be created in the cloud, but not in a laptop. Is it very easy or not, Ali?
Yeah, it's easy only.
Very easy. But think about it. Think about it. Think about it. Okay. If you want to buy a laptop, how much time it will take? How much time it will take? Around 1 day minimum, am I right? Minimum 1 day. Minimum 1 day. And we need to pay upfront amount, either by you or by bank, through bank. You need to pay upfront amount. Then only we need to get it laptop. So even for buying a laptop, a physical laptop, it will take 1 day. But what about physical server? Physical server, how much time it will take? Couple of days or not? Not immediately. That too we need to pay upfront amount. That too we need to maintenance also. It is not easy to maintain your car, am I right? So how difficult to maintain your own car instead of rental? The same way buying a server also the same thing. Instead of that, instead of buying a new server and maintenance, go to the cloud and get a rental server. And based on usage, we're gonna be pay rent. That's it. So easily we can able to get a server, yeah, without paying any single rupee. And based on usage, I'm gonna be paying rent. Am I right? That too, this Tutor Micro is a free of cost. Whatever using Tutor Micro, this is 750 hours free for every month. With help of this free trial, we can able to complete our practice AWS and DevOps. Clear? And one more thing. So in the beginning, I have discussed with you what is a cloud. Tell me what is a cloud? What is in exactly cloud? The remote placed resources, if you can access over internet from a laptop, is nothing but what exactly cloud computing or not? Tell me, is it in exactly cloud computing or not? Yes. Why? Because this infrastructure is expanded globally in a region wide. So as of right now, we're using Ohio. Maybe we have a Oregon, we have a Mumbai, we have a Singapore, we have a Central Canada, we have a US in Ohio. But as of right now, I have chosen Ohio, US East 2. In that region, in that US, US Ohio region, we have a 3 data centers. See, if you can able to find here, 2A, 2B, 2C availability zone is nothing but data center. So as of right now, what we have created web server on Ohio region with a 2C, US East 2C data center. But the server is created in US. One of the availability zone 2C, in that availability zone, we have successfully created a virtual machine. So this virtual machine is over internet. Over internet. Am I controlling or not? The remote placed server over internet, am I controlling from my laptop or not? Is nothing but what exactly the cloud computing. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. No. Yes or no? Clear, all of you? Perfect. Is it nothing but a cloud computing? Am I right? Yeah. Any questions up to this point?
No.
Kiran, Anita.
No question still.
Yeah, it's clear, am I right? It's very easy to that. But sir, how we can use this server? How we can able to getting into the server? How to install web server? How we can access our internet? How we can able to getting into that? How to install the commands, Linux commands? Okay, so which are all the next topics in EC2? Okay, what is the roadmap? Okay, we will discuss by tomorrow, please. Okay, so some students are not joined for today because of festival day. That's what I'm stopping this class at this moment. Tomorrow, so how we can use the server will gonna be an experience by tomorrow. Slowly we are deep diving into that. Slowly we are increasing our practical sessions and increase the criticality of that. We go for advanced level. Yeah, please. So any question, please ask me for today and we can leave for day. We can continue by tomorrow, please. Any questions about today's session or DevOps and AWS? Neeta, any question? Kiran, any question?
No, so far it's good. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
Maha, just one question I have is not regarding this topic today's,
Mhm.
but actually I am a Java developer having 6 years of experience. So
Mhm.
I want to know means when exactly that Kubernetes and Docker those things will start
Mhm.
actually.
That actually we'll discuss by tomorrow, but let me know. Let me come to me, please.
Yeah.
Actually, we started with AWS.
Yeah.
Okay. Then, so we are gonna be starts with that Ansible.
Okay.
Okay. After Ansible, we'll go for Docker and Kubernetes.
Okay.
Then we're gonna be go for CI/CD.
Okay.
In the CI/CD, again we're using Kubernetes and Docker. Again,
Okay.
that flow, complete flow will be implemented.
Yeah. Means approximately 1.5 months, right?
Roughly.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
Fine. Fine.
Yeah. Thanks.
Thanks, man. Thanks. Good night. Good night, all of you. We'll continue by tomorrow. Thank you.
Yeah. Good night.